Let us get an overview of Spark Catalog to manage Spark Metastore tables as well as temp previews. Let us say Spark is of type Spark Session. When we get into demo, we'll be creating an object by name Spark. It will be of type Spark Session. Object of type Spark Session exposes an attribute called as catalog, and it is of type pyspark.sql.catalog.catalog. We can access catalog using spark.catalog, which is nothing but attribute within the Spark Session type of object. We can permanently or temporarily create tables or views on top of data in a data frame. Metadata such as table names, column names, data types, etc. for the permanent tables or views will be stored in Metastore. We can access the metadata using spark.catalog, which is exposed as part of Spark Session object. Spark.catalog also provides us the details related to temporary views that are being created. Metadata of these temporary views will not be stored in Spark Metastore. Permanent tables are typically created using databases in Spark Metastore. If not specified, the tables will be created in default database. There are several methods that are part of Spark.catalog which will facilitate us to manage not only permanent tables in Metastore but also temporary views that are created as part of running sessions. We will explore most of these methods as part of subsequent topics in this section or module. Following are some of the common tasks that can be performed using Spark.catalog object. We can check current database and switch to different databases. We can create permanent table in Metastore. We can create or drop temporary views. We can also register functions. All the above tasks can be performed using SQL style commands as well. There might be some exceptions, but most of the commands we should be able to run using spark.sql by passing a SQL query to it. To explore the attribute catalog, you can actually create the Spark session. You can run this piece of code. Spark session will be created and it will be assigned to the object called as Spark. Once this object of type Spark session is created, we should be able to use it, and then we can add a new cell here. We can say spark.catalog and run it. You can see that it is of type pyspark.sql.catalog.catalog. If you want to get help on this, you can actually say help of spark.catalog. It will provide you the help related to this class. You can see the methods that are available as part of this class, which is nothing but pyspark.sql.catalog.catalog. This is object of that class. You can see all the methods that are exposed on this object. You have methods such as create external table, create table, current database, drop global temp view, drop temp view, so on and so forth. This is how you should be able to get information related to catalog object. It gives you the information related to all the methods that are supported. We'll be using these methods as part of the subsequent topics and try to understand how we can manage the tables in Metastore and also temporary views.